Okay. So number 3, we got the VA loans. Now, I really like VA loans. Okay. VA loans are eligible for veterans, active duty service members, and certain qualifying military connected borrowers. Okay. This is one of the strongest loan programs out there when used correctly. You want to know why? I'm about to tell you why. So VA loans, they offer benefits like no down payment. In a lot of cases, you got competitive loan terms. When I say competitive, I'm talking super competitive. Okay. No monthly mortgage insurance, no matter the LTV, which is loan to value, no mortgage insurance, fire, and strong options for eligible military borrowers. But here's the word is eligible. That's the key word here, okay? Everybody does not qualify for VA, okay? You have to meet VA eligibility requirements. And even with the VA loan, you still have to qualify from a credit, income, and underwriting standpoint. So it's not just I served, give me the house. No. You still need the file to make sense. So even though VA is a very powerful tool, you still need a strategy behind it. So don't just ask, can I get my VA benefit? Ask, how do I use it the right way?